बिकॉज ऑफ अ गुड गर्ल्स गाइड टू मर्डर. इट वॉज सो गुड. मैंने दोनों के बारे में बहुत सुना है. तो should I get this one or that one? I actually stand there for a while holding both of these two books in my hand and thinking कौन सी. My father James Witherspoon is a bigamist. I was convinced to buy because firstly I love reading romance, like it's my favorite genre. Second, I want to get more into reading mystery this year because yes, I do love reading romance as I mentioned earlier, but I also want to get more into reading mystery. Actually इसका तो मुझे cover ही इतना पसंद आया था. Yes, the cover, look at the cover, how pretty is this? Hi guys, hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome to the channel. You guys know what this video is all about. तो पहली बात तो मैं ये वीडियो ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ, लाइक इन अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म वे, लाइक अ रील काइंड ऑफ वीडियो, बट आई एम डूइंग दिस लॉन्ग फॉर्म एज वेल बिकॉज वाई नॉट. माई बुक्स डिजर्व, माई नॉवेल्स डिजर्व it to have a long form. Anyway, exaggerated, sorry, but we are doing this. If you watched those videos, I've done the quick haul for what I all got from the book fair event. You guys already know, but if haven't, welcome. If you have watched my recent vlog, but today I'm not doing like a proper haul, I'm doing like a book haul. If you know, I am a book girly. I love collecting books, also reading obviously I do, but मुझे collection का ज़्यादा शौक है I would say. So I got like a few books from there and guess the prices. Actually इट्स नॉट कि हर जगह बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में मिल रही थी वहाँ पे. डिपेंड्स ऑन द काउंटर. लाइक सम वर गिविंग फॉर 100 रुपीज़ ईच, कि यू नो दीज आर लाइक द सेल एंड दीज आर लाइक फॉर 100 रुपीज़ ईच, पिक एनी वन ऑफ देम. एंड सम वर यू नो नॉट गिविंग फॉर 100 रुपीज़ ईच, मतलब MRP से डिस्काउंट करके बट नॉट फॉर 100 रुपीज़ ईच. सो दीज मतलब मुझे ये सारी बुक्स जो हैं, these costed for 400 rupees.
That was legitness.
Yeah. Yes. So let's get into it now. So first one is Nothing Like the Movies. I had to get this one because I love Better Than the Movies, and since then Lynn Painter is one of my favorite author. So Nothing Like the Movies. A few beautiful months Wes had his dream girl. I read Better Than the Movies and it was just too good to be true. Why I'm talking about Prajakta Skuli Too Good to Be True? I mean, वो भी बहुत अच्छी थी. I've read that as well, but Better Than the Movies was also very good read. And yes, so the first one is Nothing Like the Movies by Lynn Painter, which I'm very excited to read. Moving on, we have is Emily Henry's People We Meet on Vacation. So this book is basically a recommendation, or should I say, I was convinced to buy because firstly I love reading romance, like it's my favorite genre. Also this one was recommended by one of my favorite YouTuber, which I'm forgetting the name. I'm so surprised. I love watching her videos and she is one of my favorite. I was actually reading this and मैंने इसकी audio भी सुनी थी just because of her recommendation and I liked it. I didn't continue the audio much because I'm not into audios much, so I thought of reading it, so I bought this one.
Nice.
So yeah, also keep telling me in the comment section if you have read any of these without any spoilers. कैसी रही, what's your take on books, these books and stuff. Okay, moving on, we have Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. I am sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but the cover itself was so addictive. It says the addictive #1 bestseller that everyone is talking about. I don't know if they're actually talking about, but this made me buy this one because there are two reasons. One is because of the cover and everything in the front and back. Second, I want to get more into reading mystery this year because yes, I do love reading romance as I mentioned earlier, but I also want to get more into reading mystery because of A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. It was my, like, it was so good that it made me think that I should read more of murders and mysteries and, you know, solve the cases, if you are getting what I'm trying to say. So this one is for this. Gone Girl is a book you'll be begging other people to read just so you can discuss it with them. So I'll be begging you guys. Moving on, we have is Never Lie by Freda McFadden. Yes. Now this one is, sorry guys, bhoot nahi hai. My sister is sleeping. Ignoring that, this one is, next one is Never Lie by Freda McFadden. So basically this one is also, you guys know, is a mystery and murder kind of a book. Again, you guys know the reason, because I want to get more into reading such kind of books. And honestly, at first I was like a little bit confused between to buy this one or The Housemaid by the same author, because I was like, मैंने दोनों के बारे में बहुत सुना है, तो should I get this one or that one? I actually stand there for a while holding both of these two books in my hand and thinking कौन सी. Then I asked ChatGPT. ChatGPT had different answer कि इसमें, I think for this one ChatGPT told that it is a like fast read and addictive read. उसमें थोड़ा सा कुछ तो difference, I don't remember. But then I asked my friend and she read like both the पीछे का sides, and then she was like, you should go with this one. And I was like, yes, I'll go with this one if she's saying this one, because why not. Then I thought to give this one a try, because same ही author के, if I'll be liking this one, I'll go for that one as well. You guys know the drill. So yes, the next one is this one. Again, if you've read this, let me know in the comment section below, how was it, what are your takes, without spoilers. That would be definitely very appreciable. Yes. Okay, so moving on, we have the last one, which is drum rolls, which is, okay, Silver Sparrow by Tayari Jones. Okay, from the author of An American Marriage, winner of the Women's Prize for Fiction. Okay, Unputdownable magazine. Actually, इसका तो मुझे cover ही इतना पसंद आया था. Yes, the cover. Look at the cover. How pretty is this? This is just like screaming feminism for some reason, but I loved it.
Love the cover.
And also, I read the back and I was like, ठीक है, I'm also getting in this one. A breathtaking tale of family secrets from the international best-selling author of An American Marriage. An American Marriage, if you have read this, tell me how was it, because I have not. My father, James Witherspoon, is a bigamist. Also, I read this there. I was not knowing what the bigamist word means, and then I asked my friend and we both got to know what the bigamist word means. And then when I find the meaning of this word, I was like, I had to get this one, because it is giving me those vibes that I might be turning my pages and figuring out what the next page would be about. So yeah, that's it from my side, because I'm done with the haul. I got like in total 5 books for 400 rupees each. Am I mad? Sorry, 400 rupees for in total, okay, not for each. It is always fun talking about books. I mean, whenever I get myself new books, I'm like getting myself new clothes, because both of them makes me and my heart happy. Ranting about both of them makes me feel so good. These were the books that I bought, and I hope you enjoyed my rant, and I hope you. I just saw कि storage issues हो रहे हैं again, so we'll be wrapping this up. And yeah, that's it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like for more such videos if you want to, and follow me on Instagram if you want to. Anyways, that's it from my side. Also, you guys can recommend me any video ideas. Like if you want to, please recommend me any video ideas in the comment section below. I would love to make videos on topics you suggest. Anyways, so yeah, that's it from my side. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye.